Hello viewers, in today's video I'm going to give you 3 golden tips to crack the PTE academic with 79 plus in the first attempt. Let's see what do we have here. Let me share the screen. Of course, in my earlier videos I've shown you how to do the read aloud. Today we are going to see the repeat sentence right from dictation and the read and write fill in the blanks, which are all the high scorers on the PTE. Alright, on the repeat sentence, repeat the sentences within 3 seconds after the beep, because otherwise the computer will think that you've already spoken and it will pose in front of you another listening repeat sentence, which is not how you do it. So immediately after the beep, do the repeat sentence. Alright. So the United States is going to send unmanned spacecraft to Mars beginning this week. If you capture all the words, then it is okay. Otherwise, even if you say the United States send unmanned spacecraft to Mars beginning this week, so you have to follow the computer. The way the computer says is you have to just copy the computer or write the first letter of each and every word. That way, most of my candidates have cracked the PT with 79 plus, believe me. That is also another strategy. Otherwise, capture maximum content which is possible. Okay. Some small towns are big on history, food, culture, and more. So if the computer says with a spontaneity, just follow the computer. You don't have to follow the accent, of course, but then you have to follow the computer exactly the way what the computer says. So that is how you can crack the repeat sentence. Try to write the first letter of each and every word. That way your practice becomes perfect and you can easily get a 79 plus on the top scorer, that is repeat sentence, write from dictation, read and write fill in the blanks, and eventually the read aloud. All right, let's look at the read and write fill in the blanks now. Okay, so the answers are given down below. So these are the answers, and I'm going to simultaneously read it. So on the read and write, you'll be given a drop-down menu for the fill in the blanks. Though the British public have dash many hundreds of thousands of archaeological objects, and today the British Museum dash that the number recorded to its portable antiquities scheme has hit a milestone 1.5 million. So though the British have dash many hundred years, so you have 4 options: invented, discovered, populated, and described. So I have to chalk out unwanted answers. So here, though the British public have dash, either it should be discovered or invented, because I see that other 2 options are not fitting in the bill, like populated and described. So invented is something which you invent for the very first time. So it should be discovered only. Discovered is the right answer. Though the British public have discovered many hundreds of thousands of archaeological objects, and today the British Museum dashed that the number recorded to its portable antiquity scheme has hit a milestone 1.5 million. So the second answer is plan, reveal, innovate, shows. Okay, so which fits the second fill in the blanks? And today the British Museum dashed that number. So dash that number. So when you tell the public something that you have unearthed, then it should be reveal only, right? So reveal. Okay, museum reveal that the number of recorded to its portable antiquity scheme has hit a milestone 1.5 million. However, these finds have radically transformed what we know about life through time on British Isles. And the British Museum's portable antiquity scheme was first set up in 1996 so that the archaeological objects found by the public can be recorded to help advance our knowledge of past. All the discoveries on the PAS database since its dash 24 years ago have been, that is on 1996 when it was set up, is what they are saying. So out of the 4 options, findings, history, inception, remarkable. So they already told something about the findings. So I guess the second answer, because after chalking out remarkable and history, I can easily say that inception is the right answer. So the understanding of reading is very, very important, viewers. Most of them are found buried in the ground by metal detectorists. Thanks to the public's effort, including those made through responsible metal detecting, our understanding of past communities living in Britain over thousands of years has dash improved. Thorough, enough, always, radically. Enough and always doesn't fit in the bill, because thorough, if had it been not thorough and an adverb like thoroughly, then I would have given thoroughly as the answer. But here, radically is also thoroughly, so radically fits in the bill, because here we cannot just type in the thorough, but grammatically it should be radically improved, which is the right answer. Otherwise, had it been thoroughly, I would have given that as an answer. So this is how you have to understand the reading. So it is easier to crack the read and write fill in the blanks, provided you have instilled in yourself enough vocabulary and synonym every day. So that way it'll be easier for you. So the third golden tip would be the write from dictation, where you have to capture all of the, because you're going to get maximum 3 right from dictation. So Almighty God is the living man, starting with the capital letter, ending with a period. You have to make sure you got all the words correct. Almighty God is the living man. You have to type exactly the same way. The library will be closed on Sundays and public holidays. You have to type the with the capital letter. Library will be closed on Sundays and public holidays. So here, unlike in the repeat sentence, you cannot mess up, because you have to type all the words here. Number 3 here, Abraham Lincoln was the former president of the United States of America. To majority of people, when they type, they would not type the entirety of the sentence, but they would miss out on sometimes like was, the, or of, the, in between. So that is okay. But then grammatically, if you saw when you're typing, it is wrong. Incorrect approaches, we call it on the PT Academic. So these are the 3 golden tips. And this apart, while you're typing on the write from dictation, make sure that you practice your spelling, which is very, very important. So today you will learn 3 golden tips. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future. This is Sridhar signing off from Perfect Skills PT. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.